Welcome to the 702. My name is Craig Lake, and I'm here to talk to you about some maybe less game-changing products in some ways, but game-changing in others, to explain the flexibility of our 702 lineup and give you some more options. So most of you by now are familiar with our integrated module for our path lights. It will allow you to adjust your color temperature. It'll allow you to adjust your output. Very fairly priced, but we do now offer a drop-in module. I think they look best on the Bono riser, but you could put them on a Craig riser because our theme is any hat, any riser, any fixture, and so you could technically use the drop-in on any of our risers that we have. It threads in with one of these neat hooks. It's going to come out of a box like this. So you can self-thread, or you can pay your distributor to thread. You can self-lamp. You could pay your distributor to lamp. It will work with both our 3 and 2 watt lamps. If you want higher than our 3 watt, which is about 350 lumen, we recommend that you spend the money for the integrated because it will last longer. Anybody's path light, anybody's lamp, you start getting above 3 watts in a small aperture like this, and you are gonna burn your lamps out, ladies and gentlemen. So we highly recommend this 500 lumen integrated, very value conscious option, but you can use this if you want to. So you are gonna want to, when you take your hat out of the box, take this screw off, and it will screw directly on with this little screw onto your hat. So it's really that simple. Sometimes your distributor might pre-prep it for you, but worst case, if you've got one of these screws and a drop-in module on your hat, you just got to take this off and it'll screw right on your hat. By the way, while we're here, reminder, kind of mentioned it before, but every one of our risers is going to come with a mounting hook. So you can get a mounting hook, you can get a drop-in module, you can get a hat, or you could ask us and pay to have this threaded into your box. So you might say like, hey Craig, I've got a small Bono riser. Why do I have this wider box like the Craig box? Well, we can put this module in your box and ship it more efficiently. So if you want that done, you will have to pay for that, but that's an option for you. But every one of our risers comes with a size appropriate hook to thread your much better 500 lumen module or G4 module if you are so budget inclined.